Dear students, welcome to the video class of foundation course. Today I am going to discuss some problems, that is remaining problems from material. We have already discussed up to question number 32. Now start from 33. Right. Fill in the blanks. Cos A plus sine, this is sine 270 degree plus A minus sine 270 degree minus A and plus cos 180, this is 180 degree, cos 180 degree. Suppose this is cos 180 degree, this is equal to cos 180 degree plus A, cos 180 degree plus A. So answer is cos A sin 270 minus A lies in what? In which quadrant? 270 plus A lies in fourth quadrant. So this is multiple of 90, so this is minus cos A. Sin 270 minus A lies in third quadrant. This is minus of minus cos A. Cos 180 plus A, 180 plus means third quadrant, this is minus cos A. So what is the answer here? Cos A minus A goes cancel, this is plus cos A and this is minus cos A. So answer is 0. 0 is the answer. Similarly, sin 350. Answer sin 315 degree. This can be written as sin 360 degree minus 45 degree. Sin 360 minus 45, that is lies in fourth quadrant. So minus sin 45 degree minus 545 sin 45 minus sin 45 means this is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Final answer. And this is question number 35. So answer is what? Answer is multiply this tan square theta into sec square theta into cot square theta minus tan square theta into sec square theta, tan square theta into sec square theta into cos square theta. So this is equal to what? Tan square theta into cot square theta is equal to 1. So this is equal to 1. And remaining here sec square theta. Sec square theta. Cos square theta sec square theta is equal to what? 1. So minus, this is sec square theta, tan square theta, cot square theta 1. Remaining here sec square theta. So sec square theta, here sec square theta into cos square theta. Sec square theta and cos square theta is equal to 1. So remaining is tan square theta. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Now question number 36. Here tan theta is equal to what? Tan theta is equal to 4 by 5. This is P by B. And this 4 by 5. What is this? P by B. This is 16 plus 25. 16 plus 25 root over. That is equal to 41. Root over 41. So apply this 5 into root over sin theta is equal to what? So sin theta is equal to P by H. P means 4 by root over 41. P by H. This is equal to cos theta is equal to B by 5 by root over 41. This is the values of sin theta and cos theta. Sin theta and cos theta. And apply this 5 into sin theta minus 3 into cos theta divided by sin theta plus 2 cos theta. Put the value 5 into sin theta means 4 by root over 41, 3 into 5 by root over 41 divided by 4 by root over 41 and plus 2 into 5 by root over 41. So root over 41 LCM 20 minus 15, 41 goes cancel in numerator and denominator by 4 plus 10. 4 plus 10. So this is equal to what? This is equal to 20 minus 15. This is 5 by 14. So answer is 5 by 14. This answer is 5 by 14. Okay. Then this is the question number 37. The value of tan pi by 3, 2 tan pi 2 pi by 3 plus 4 tan 4 pi by 3 plus 8 tan 4 pi by 3. Pi by 3 this means 60. Then this is pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 120. This is 120 degree. Second quadrant. 4 pi by 3. 4 into 60, 240 degree. 240 degree lies 240 degree. This is equal to 4 pi by 3. And this is equal to what? 8 pi by 3. 8 into 60. 480. 480 means this is first quadrant. 480. This is equal to 360 plus 480. Clear? 480. This is 0, 90, then 180 degree, then 270 degree, then 360 degree, then 360 plus 90. 360 plus 90. 0, 450. This is 450 degree, and this is so 450. This is 450 degree. This is 0. This is 90, 450, 180. Or 40 like this, and this is 0, 360 like this. So here 8 pi by 3 lies in second quadrant. 8 pi by 3 lies in second quadrant. 2 pi by 3 lies in second quadrant. 4 pi by 3 lies in third quadrant. Pi by 3 lies in first quadrant. So according, this is multiple of pi. So put the value of, what is value of tan pi by 3? It means tan 60 root 3. According to AST rule, write the value root 3 and followed by plus or minus sign according to AST rule. So what is first? Tan pi by 3. Tan pi by 3. 2 tan 2 pi by 3. 4 tan 4 pi by 3. 8 tan 8 pi by 3. 8 tan 8 pi by 3. This is value is root 3 first quadrant. This is values is minus root 3. 2 into minus root 3 due to second quadrant, and this is third quadrant plus 4 into root 3, and this is 8 into second quadrant minus root 3. So calculate this. Root 3 minus 2 root 3, 4 root 3 minus 8 root 3. So minus 10 root 3 minus 10 root 3 minus what? Minus 10 root 3 minus here 10 root 3. This is equal to plus 5 root 3. So answer is minus 5 root 3. Answer is minus 5 root 3. This is the question number 38. we know log x1 plus log x2 plus log x3. What is formula? Log x1 into x2 into x3. Apply this formula. So this is equal to e to the power log 10 log base 10 10 1 degree into 10 2 degree dot dot into 10 it is 3 degree dot dot up to into 10 89 degree. We know already this is value, this value is 1. So e to the power log 1 base 10. We know e to the, this is formula log 1 means 0. E to the 0 is equal to 1. This is your answer. Clear? And another question. This is question 1 plus sin x plus sin square up to infinity is equal to 4 plus 2 root 3. Condition is 0 less than equal to x less than equal to pi by 2. One formula for infinite GP. This is infinite GP. Infinite GP. Formula is a plus ar square dot dot up to ar to the power n is equal to a by 1 minus a by 1 minus r. Suppose this is general formula, but here this is equal to 1 plus r square dot dot up to infinity is equal to 1 by 1 minus r. 1 minus r. This is the required formula to apply here. Here 1 r equal to what? Sin x. So this can be written as, apply this formula, 1 by r is equal to what? Sin x. 1 minus sin x is equal to 4 plus 2 root 3. Reciprocal this 1 minus sin x is equal to 1 by 4 plus 2 root 3. Rationalize this 1 minus sin x is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 by 4 plus 2 root 3 into 4 minus 2 root 3. This is equal to what? 4 minus 2 root 3 by 16 minus 12. So 1 minus sin x is equal to what? 1 minus sin x is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 by, what is, this is 4, and this is equal to what is 4 by 4 means 1 minus root 3 by 4. So 1 goes cancel. So minus sin x is equal to this minus this, and sin x is equal to what? This is equal to 4 by 4 1, this is root 3 by 2. Also sin x is equal to root 3 by 2, that implies x is equal to what? Pi by sin x, root 3 by 2 means value of sin at which angle value of sin is root 3 by 2, that is sin 60. This is pi by 3 answer. Clear? Here solution. Sec y equal to sec square theta plus cos square theta. Since theta not equal to n pi, so sec square theta not equal to cos square theta. We know if x1 not equal to x2, then m greater than gm, equal to sign absent here. So since theta not equal to pi, so sec square theta plus not equal to cos square theta. Let x1 is equal to sec square theta, x2 equal to cos square theta. Am greater than gm. Here equal sign absent because not equal to, terms are not equal to, that is x1 plus x2 by 2 greater than root over x1 into x2, that is sec square theta into plus cos square theta by 2 greater than equal to root over what? This is sec square theta into cos square theta, right? And this is equal to, and this is equal to y, sec square theta plus cos square theta, y by 2 greater sec into cos 1, so y greater than equal to 2. This is final answer. D is the final answer. Question number Question number 41 is homework for you. Then question number 42. Question number 42. If A is equal to cos square theta plus sin 4 theta, then prove that 3/4 less than equal to A less than equal to 1. This is very very important. Now one formula is required here. 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to what? Sin 2 theta. Suppose you are given only sin theta into cos theta. So what term is what factor, what quantity is required to get sin 2 theta? Obviously 2. This can be written as multiply by 2. That is 1/2 into 2 sin theta into cos theta. That is equal to 1/2 into sin 2 theta. Suppose this is square form, sin square theta into cos square theta form. What is the term required? If square is 2 to the 2, sin power 1, cos power 1. So 2 is required. Sin power 2, cos power 2. So 2 square is required. So we can write here 1/4 into 4 sin square theta into cos square theta. That is equal to 1/4 2 sin theta into cos theta whole square. This is equal to 1/4 sin 2 theta square. Means sin square 2 theta. This is formula. This formula is applied here. Okay. So solution or proof: A is equal to cos square theta plus sin 4 theta. So A is equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta into sin square theta. So A is equal to cos square theta sin square theta into 1 minus cos square theta. This is cos, and that implies A is equal to cos square theta plus multiply this sin square theta minus sin square theta into cos square theta, and this is 1. A is equal to 1 minus sin square theta into cos square theta. So A is equal to 1 minus, what is this formula is applied? 1/4 into, this is what formula? This is equal to sin square theta into cos square theta is equal to, the formula is 1/4 sin square theta. 1/4 sin square 2 theta. This is A. We know sin square 2 theta, sin square 4 theta lies between 0 to 1 multiplied by minus 1/4. So 0 into minus 1/4 greater than equal to minus 1/4 sin square 2 theta greater than equal to minus 1/4. Clear? Clear? And this is equal to what? This is equal to 0 greater than equal to minus 1/4 sin square 2 theta greater than equal to minus 1/4. But here 1 is required. So add 1 greater than equal to 1 minus 1/4 sin square 2 theta greater than equal to 1 minus 1/4. This is what? This is A. So 1 greater than equal to A greater than equal to what? 3/4. Right? So reverse sides, 3/4 less than equal to A less than equal to 1. Proved. Then question number 43, last question. Find the value of A. Find the value of A. Find the value of A if cos 2A equal to sin 3. If cos 2A is equal to sin 3A. So solution: cos 2A is equal to sin 3A, or cos 2A is equal to cos 90 degree minus 3A. 2A is equal to 90 degree minus 3A. 5A is equal to what? 5A is equal to 90 degree. A is equal to 18 degree. The answer, final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day.